Guys, welcome to my Advent Tech channel. Today I'm going to show you in this video how to create poll on Snapchat. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, first of all you need to open Snapchat. You have to select the image from the gallery. Guys, below you can see here pencil icon. Just tap on this. Guys, in top right side section you can see here third option, square sticker type. Just tap on that sticker type. Guys, you can see here poll option. Just tap on this. Guys, here you can write whatever you want. Guys, you can see here I have typed, do you like Snapchat? After type, you can change the emojis from here. Guys, you can place it where you want. Suppose I am placing in the bottom of the image, and just tap on this send button. Guys, here you can see you can share it on stories, or you can share it with your friends also. Suppose I am selecting stories, just tap on OK. Just tap on send button. That's it guys. So in this way you can create poll on Snapchat. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.